Are you tired of spending hours editing videos, recording voiceovers, or struggling with animations? What if I told you that you could create professional, fully animated faceless videos in just a few minutes, though without showing your face or touching a complicated editor? Well, that's exactly what Mootion AI does. Here is the example video I generated with it. Take a look.
In the quaint town of Willowdale, nestled between rolling hills and dense woods, existed an unbreakable friendship between two young boys, Ethan and Lucas. Both were inseparable, sharing countless adventures amidst the town's picturesque landscapes and forming bonds through secrets whispered under the ancient oak tree in the park.
So in today's video, I'll walk you through Mootion AI, an AI-powered platform that turns your ideas into animated videos with voiceovers, effects, transitions, and even AI avatars, all in one place. Whether you want to create educational videos, kids' stories, product demos, or faceless YouTube content, this tool has everything you need. And the best part? You don't need any video editing skills. First, we'll log into Mootion AI. Here is the dashboard. The top menu gives you several starting options. You can either begin with a prompt or browse through various templates curated for different content types. Templates include categories like general use, social media, children's content, e-learning, dramatic storytelling, religious topics, and even wellness videos. There's also a handy template gallery just below these categories that lets you preview designs and select one that fits your project. To begin, click on Generate. Type in your idea or prompt. For this example, let's use the broken friendship. As soon as you enter your prompt, Mootion kicks off the process. First, it understands your idea and outlines the structure of your video. Then, it writes a script. Mootion will now generate visual elements to match each scene. In our case, it creates multiple illustrations based on the story. With one click, you can animate all the generated images automatically. Next, it assembles a storyboard. After that, it prepares everything for post-production, adding transitions, effects, background music, and a voiceover. All of this happens behind the scenes in just a few moments.
In the quaint town of Willowdale, nestled between rolling hills and dense woods, existed an unbreakable friendship between two young boys. Hair and mischievous green eyes was the daring spirit of the duo.
It gives you titles, description, and script as well. Click Edit Project. This is where you can fine-tune your video. You can edit or rewrite the script for each scene. Click Animate All to turn them into animated scenes. Choose high quality for the better results. You don't need to animate each one manually. Mootion handles it for you. If you're not happy with an image, click Regenerate to create a new version. Need more control? Click Edit on any image inside the image editor. You can crop the image, flip it horizontally or vertically, use the brush tool to draw or add new elements. Use the eraser to remove unwanted parts or completely replace the background. You can also click Replace to import photos directly from your PC. If you want to animate a single image manually, just click the Animate button. You can either describe the motion you want or leave it blank and let the AI do the work. Once done, the still image will be replaced with an animated version. You can also add extra elements to each scene: video title styles, subtitle styles, thumbnails and visual effects, smooth transitions for a cinematic look. Now, let's add a voiceover. Choose from a list of AI voices, both male and female.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Want to include an avatar? Mootion lets you add digital presenters with synced lip movements and expressive gestures. Next, it's time to set the mood with background music. Mootion offers a full library of tracks you can preview before adding. Pick the one that fits your video best. Once you finalize the visuals, script, music, and voiceover, click Compose It. Mootion will now assemble your video from start to finish. This can take a few moments depending on complexity. Once it's ready, you can preview the video.
In the quaint town of Willowdale, nestled between rolling hills and dense woods, Lucas hesitated, aware of the potential risks involved. "We could get into trouble, Ethan. The fair is tomorrow, and I've worked all year for the chess tournament," he reasoned. Ethan, feeling a surge of adventurous spirit, dismissed Lucas's caution.
If you want to create a video using your own voice or video clip, Mootion also gives you that option under the General Creation category. You can simply upload your voice recording, narration, or any sound file, and the platform will automatically generate an animated video around it. And if you already have a video clip, you can upload that too. Mootion will analyze the content, extract the key details, and then turn it into a complete animated video with visuals, transitions, and even background music. This feature makes it super easy to repurpose your existing content into something fresh and engaging. With hundreds of templates and endless customization options, Mootion is perfect for YouTube creators, TikTok, and Instagram content. It's optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile, so you can work from anywhere. So, if you want to turn your ideas into high-quality animated videos without editing headaches, Mootion is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching.